What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It is super early for me today. It's currently 8:26. I woke up at 7 a.m. today, and for what else? We're going to a Cars and Coffee with the homie Jimmy. He's back there, there's that lady. We're gonna go to this Tokyo style Cars and Coffee type of thing. It's like a cuckoo style, I guess. Pretty sick. It's under like a little like freeway underpass bridge type of thing, and it kind of looks like Koku. So we're gonna go check that out today. And since it's a JDM type of meet, I had to bring the Z out. I shouldn't have brought it low-key. I don't have a bumper. It looks a little clapped. Not really, but for my standards it does look a little clapped, but I had to bring it, bro. I wasn't gonna bring the BMW to a JDM meet. So I also wanted to bring the BMW because by today I was supposed to have the T37s on, but a couple things happened. So like last Wednesday, not this Wednesday that just passed, but the one before that, I had scheduled a stud conversion kit for the M340. Long story short, the place or the shop that was shipping the kit to the shop I was gonna go to lagged. They lagged for like 5 days straight. So I started doing more research. I found out that you don't have to do the stud conversion kit, so I'm not gonna do it anymore. I have a few homies that run T37s on those cars with stock bolts, so I'm gonna just end up doing that, save myself a few dollars, and yeah. Now Friday, today's Sunday. Friday, I went to go try to buy some tires. I drove about an hour and a half away. No, I want to say like 2 hours round trip. Offer the guy to not have the tires. I drove all the way to LA. I got there and he started looking for the tires, and he's like, you know what, I don't have them. And then he brought out some other ones that were like not as good. They had a patch, and he wanted to sell me them for $20 less. I was like, bro, I got so heated, and I just left. So now I'm just looking for another set of tires, I mean, so I could just slap them on. But anyways, that's enough yapping. See a few little D's pulling up on me right here. Sick ass. We just got here, and low-key it's super packed, bro. I have no idea where I'm gonna park. Found a little parking spot right here, even though it says no parking. It's all good. The whole car's illegal anyways. This is what I meant. We're under like a freeway underpass, and it makes it look like we're in Japanish. This JD made his own parking right here, look. In the middle of the freaking, well, I guess they put cones right there, so it's alright. Check out this clean queue on the Chrome V2s. Yeah, it makes me miss mine, bro. Oh, I miss mine sometimes, I'm not gonna lie. The air feels good. Yeah. Check out this gem right here. It's a Accord. Check out these two Z06s. This one is insane, bro. On the bead locks in the rear. Damn, the all black bead locks look sick. Got another one with the big wing. Damn, the B58s before the B58s. F54s. And it's IS. Where is it? I think it is. Damn, this is literally the B58 before the B58. Another one right here. F80. Oh, it's F82. Damn, I still sometimes regret not getting an F80. I got a big body right here. It's just clean. Now, Evo, where you at, Sambu? You guys remember Sambu? He still has the car too. They just started up the Z06. Camera does not do it justice, bro. Nothing but 85. I completely missed this Datsun right here on the fat tire. This thing is sick. On the R2, he ain't playing. Yeah, I need a V8 in my life. Could always appreciate a clean little Teggy on the Mugans. Oh, we got a big scene going for over here. This thing is sick. Sheesh. Satin black. Oh, this setup is so fire, bro. The stock in the front with the V-Lock stock style wheel in the back. Low-key kind of regretted not taking these cars more serious when I was buying a car. Literally a luxury type car. with a sick wide body kit. I should have checked them out, I'm not gonna lie. We got a CA over here on T's. Gotta appreciate the old Toyotas. Little Corolla. Reggie 80's hit, bro, I'm not gonna lie. This blue one is sick, bro. Super clean.
Rich guy.
Yeah, I'll upgrade to a G80 one day, probably. I love the snake eyes, bro. So sick. Check out this RAV4 with half of a RAV4 behind it. Check out this V with the skinnies in the front, bro. Ain't playing no games. This thing is sick. Oh yeah, bro, ready for all the smoke. Check out this Rabbit G80 with the buckets. Check out the big body R6. It's just super sick, bro. Oh, over me. Whenever I see his F80, I kind of regret not getting one. Look at this fitment, bro. Damn. Talk about fitment. Got a little demon right here. What's up, you need that or what? Check out the Z, this crazy exhaust. Sorry about your neck. I think this is Lime Rock, if I'm not mistaken. E92. Before I left, I had to record this little RSX. I still want to buy mine back, by the way. Seems like there was a pretty bad accident right now on the freeway, so I'm taking the back streets. A little sketchy. This city was known for having like zero tolerance on modified cars, but I think it's like a different part of the city, so I should be okay. But you see, that's what sucks, bro. Like in Texas, you could drive out with you could drive with like two humongous turbos sticking out of your hood. You could drive however you want, bro. As long as you're not like doing anything dumb, which I'm not doing, you'll be all right. But here, I could be minding my business, driving like a grandma, and I'll still get messed with. That's the only bad thing about California. But as much as I talk bad about it, I'll never leave. But yeah, Jimmy and the other homie went ahead and went to get breakfast. I'm gonna go to the gym. I usually go to the gym on Sundays like at 12, and it's currently 9 in the morning, so I'll just go to the gym instead of going to sleep. This is such a vibe right now, guys. Cruising in the freeway with the windows down. But yeah, that was a pretty good turnout. I'm not gonna lie, it's a pretty good beat. The only downside is the location. Like I said, that city was kind of known for hating cars, but I think it's a little better now. But other than that, pretty good turnout, pretty clean cars. I'll for sure come back again. Touchdown to a local Chevron. That'll give me a little energy drink because I am on like 3 hours of sleep or 2, and I'm gonna hit this gym session and I need to wake up. Got the essentials. Now let's hit this gym session. I'm probably gonna bring you guys along with me. I don't think I've ever done that. Let's go ahead and hit this gym session, even though I'm not really dressed for it. I mean, Nike cargo sweats, black tee, black Porsches. I think I'm alright. Not gonna lie, I'm already pretty freaking sweaty because I don't got AC in the Z. My shirt, low-key wet, but whatever. Rather come right now than have to come back later. Fun fact, it's currently like 9 in the morning, right? This is the earliest I've ever came to the gym. Crazy. I'm not a morning person at all. Alright guys, so I'm by no means a fitness influencer by any sort, but I will bring you guys along some of my heavier lifts, just so you guys can see a little part of my life. I like to lift heavy shit, so let's go. Oh yeah, that 2 hours of sleep is hitting me now. Yeah, guys, this 2 hours of sleep is killing me. Alright guys, I'll probably end the other part of the vlog here. Do pretty much my 2 heavier lifts. I still lift decently heavy after this, but I feel like I'll just cut it here. Depending if you guys like it or not, I'll probably bring you guys along another time, or start implementing like day in my life type of content. But alright, I'll pick up the camera once I'm ready. Alright guys, made it home. All in one piece, thank God. Not gonna lie, like I said, I was a little nervous because of where the meet was at. Pretty much one of the worst cities to have a modified car in Southern California. We made it back in one piece. No tickets, no cop trouble, and the car made it and drove perfectly fine. Making it home after a day in the race car is always a plus. So, not sure if this video is going to end here. I think it might, and in case it does, I thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that bell button so you guys could be alerted whenever I post, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.